Ready?
We've been waiting, fool.
Ready, bro?
Huh?
That was tight.
You should have filled that thing up with gas like you normally do.
I was trying, but then I didn't want to be on camera blowing my fucking face off.
Alright, it's September 28th, second day of rifle, and we came up to this mountaintop and drove the Jeep up this trail, and we're at the peak of this mountain, and we're hoping, yeah, we're gonna glass this whole mountainside next to us. It's about 400 or 500 yards, so if we see something, we should be able to crack a shot. It's still pretty windy, so hopefully that doesn't keep them down too much. We checked our game cameras. We got lots of bears. Unfortunately, it's more bears than bucks. We did find, or we did get a picture of a nice, it looked like a 3x3 or the 4x4. So we know he's still roaming around the area, but we got a lot of bears. I think we've got like 3 or 4 different bears in this area. There's one big boar, like a brownish bear, good size, maybe 300 pounds maybe. So we came here thinking that maybe we'll see him roaming around here. So we'll probably be doing some glassing for about 2 hours, and then we're probably gonna hike this mountain. So we'll see how we do.
Shape. I've been did some workouts last week before we came up. We gotta keep going up. Heading to the top of this mountain. We're gonna ride the ridge line all the way across. First day of rifle season. It's really windy, really foggy. It's a good day to kill something. I know, right? We already heard somebody crack a shot, so maybe somebody got something. We'll see how we do. Okay, so we're at the peak of this mountaintop, and we're gonna start riding the ridge over, and my dad and my brothers are on the other side of this mountain. They're making their way to us, so we're hoping that one of us sees something. The problem is, because we're high up, you can see behind me, it's foggy. It's real foggy, so the wind's blowing pretty good, and a lot of the fog's rolling. Even it's only getting worse, so we'll have to see what happens. I think we might keep going, try to get a little higher, and then maybe wait out and let all this burn off. So we'll see what happens. We don't want to move too much and then bump some bucks, you know, before we even get a good shot and get a good view of them. So we'll probably let it get a little warmer and let all this burn off. We'll see how that we do. Let's do this, bro. Day 1, rifle season. Go through here. Go up that This is Joe. Go ahead, over.
Are you here in a Jeep, or how far are you from the road? Over.
We're still a little bit. We're heading down now. We'll be a little bit. Over.
Roger.
Okay. We've been hunting all day. Opening day for rifle. Haven't seen shit. Yeah. My brother seen a couple does. Been all over, up the mountain, down the mountain, below the mountain, around the mountain. We've seen a bunch of fresh sign, but just no bucks. I heard a lot of people shooting though too. Not too many people seem to have even seen deer. But the weather's bad. It's blowing pretty good. And the clouds keep rolling in. We got rained on earlier today. Supposed to be the worst day today, so hopefully tomorrow the wind will die down a little bit. Maybe we'll catch them running around a little bit more. So you get the idea. It's my dad's rig right there. That's what helps us get around here. I got mine right here. So you can see this weather I'm talking about right up there. And it's only looked like it's gonna get worse. We might end up getting rained on tonight. Tomorrow's another day though. Okay, we were driving on the trail and we just spotted some deer off the side of the road. Looks like one's a doe. Did the other one get up? Okay, I got Octavius over here getting ready. I'll show you the does right now. So, I mean, looks like they're just trying to get some sun. Yesterday. So we were just driving down the trail and we spotted deer. I swore I thought it was a buck, man. I almost cracked the shot. But if, you know, we wanted to make sure. Sure enough, we started looking and it was a doe. I seen another one bedded down that I thought had antlers, but it was just a doe also. They don't seem too spooked. They're just sitting there, you know, resting, getting some shade. We might sit here a minute, maybe walk around, do a big circle. See if maybe we can find a buck in the area. At least we've seen something for today. Not bad.
Okay, so second day of hunting for rifle. Sunday, about 4 o'clock now. We came down this pass, pretty rough trail. Not too many people have come out this way. Supposedly somebody shot at a buck earlier today. We haven't seen much at all. Some sign, nothing fresh. We have seen some more bear sign out here. Hopefully we can
catch one. We've been glassing this whole area out here, but as you can see, it's pretty cloudy, and still the wind hasn't died down. Maybe we're just gonna do some coyote call, and hopefully we call in a bear. How about that? You guys down?
Yeah.
I'm down.
I got this bullets.
You down, Dad?
I'm down.
Let's do it. Alright, so we didn't have any luck glassing. There's too many hunters out. Some people came, parked right next to us, and wanted to hunt the same area. So we sat there for a little bit, glassed, didn't see anything, and we got out of there. We decided there's way too many people on the trail, on the roads and stuff. Everyone's trying to road hunt, stay close to the roads. So we figured, well, let's take a trail, another trail up to another mountain top, and let's hike it. Let's get off the trail. Let's get, hike all the way around the mountain. Maybe we'll get lucky, and that's what we're doing now. So we know there's deer in the area. We've seen some does. People keep saying they see something or other, but not too many people are able to get a shot off. So hopefully we'll find something worth killing. We need meat. Yeah. So we're at the point where
Really hungry.
yeah, we're hungry. So we're at the point where if it's legal to shoot, we might just take them out. But another full day, so we'll see how we do. Okay, so we've been walking up this trail. It starts to go up this ridge line here. So if you see these hills behind me, we're hoping the trail kind of veers off to the left, and we're hoping we're gonna go to the right and we'll pretty much ride these ridge lines across. A little bit of a hike, but we really want to try to get away from the road and away from people. So, see how we do. Sounded like a bear. Couldn't see it. Looked like it was ripping branches, moving logs and stuff. So we waited for a while. We made some rapid calls to get him to come in, and we heard it moving around. But it never came in. So we're gonna go up to it, and maybe we can see it. We'll see how we do. We're still following them. We're trying to be real quiet and check this out. He's here somewhere. Probably not very big. See if we can spot him. Alright, check it out. We keep following. We found some fresh tracks. So if you look right here, it's probably hard to tell. Right here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 toes. This right here. That's his back foot, and this right here, that's his heel. So you can tell he's actually going that way. I think noise in this area somewhere. Thinking maybe there's a den around here somewhere. Yeah, so we got to the spot where we heard all the noise, all the ruckus, and obviously we found fresh tracks and stuff. So we're gonna keep looking around. Okay, made it to the top of the summit. We're at the very top. We see all kinds of signs, even a lot of deer sign, tracks, fresh poop, even beds. But we don't see anything other than birds. So we came up the hill and we circled around the back to get to the top. Now I think we're gonna go down to back to the Jeep, but also go across where we think we heard them. Hopefully we might flush something out. How high is it, you think?
Really is probably
65.
Yeah, 65 easy.
6,500 feet. Yeah, we're pretty high
You
up.
see the clouds.
Yeah, I don't know if the camera will get it, but you can kind of see back there. We're high.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Don't
jinx us. We're not done yet.
I know.
We still got a couple minutes.
All right, so we just finished our morning hike on what's today, day 3.
Yeah, day 3 of our opening season weekend.
We followed this trail that we were on yesterday, and it goes towards the very top of this mountain. And we decided to park and hike up the rest of the mountain. And it was kind of away from the trail, away from everybody. And we got to this nice little rock point where you can kind of see the next ridge over, which is only like 300 yards away. And as soon as we got there, we kept hearing branches breaking and like wood breaking and just something loud. And we figured it had to have been a bear. And we actually waited a while. We couldn't see it. We never saw it come out into one of the clearings. And we called with the rabbit call, thinking that maybe we'd see it. He never did come down. So we went up there, didn't see anything. I mean, we found all kinds of fresh sign, but just no bear.
Yeah, super fresh tracks.
I know.
The poop was still wet.
Yep.
You couldn't like ask for anything better.
We thought for sure this was it, but nothing. So we went up to the top of that peak, came down thinking where we heard him. We saw him. We saw it where he was digging a hole, everything, but just we don't know where the hell he went. He just disappeared. So we came back, caught up with my dad and my brothers. So now we're just road hunting now. It's pretty much the end of the middle of the day, and we got to get back, pack up, roll out, come back in another 2 weeks.
Yep.
We're not done yet.
Yeah, someone's gonna die. Hopefully it'll be within this next hour.
All right, man, let's do it.
Yep, game time.
Yep. All right, so Monday, today's the 29th of September, and at the end of our first trip for rifle. No luck. We ended up seeing a bobcat on the way down, but no bucks. A bunch of does, no bucks. But we know they're out there, so we're gonna try it again in about 2 weeks for our second trip out. I do want to say thank you very much to Randy and Bob.
Big Ben.
Big Ben. Sorry I didn't get to meet you guys. Thanks for noticing the video. That's pretty cool. Thank you very much for the beef jerky. That was awesome. So if I catch you guys around, definitely I'll get you guys a round of beers for sure.
Later, Ben. Later, Randy.
Have a good one.